Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ritchie Plunkett here from the Puppet Geek, and today guys, we're checking out the all-new HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical gaming keyboard. This is the first gaming keyboard from HyperX. They're diving into the gaming market. They've done headphones. Now they're moving on to keyboards. Now this right here is the Cherry MX Blue, currently on the market. HyperX do say they are working on more different Cherry MX keys. Hopefully they'll come out soon in the coming months. However, right now launched is the Cherry MX Blue, which is a nice, I think a great gaming sort of key. Works really well with a lot of FPS gaming keyboards, and I think that's why they've sort of gone down this path. So let's take a look inside the box and see what we get. Got a little sleeve right here. So taking a look inside, what we get is a HyperX sleeve. Now, if you remember the HyperX headphones that came out originally, and also the 2s as well, they also came with a carrying case. Now, I'm not too sure why you would actually need a carrying case for your keyboard. I mean, it's there if you're going to take your keyboard out to LAN parties and such, at least you have it. Now, I do believe if you do pre-order the keyboard in itself, a lot of companies, they are doing a pre-order bundle where you actually do get a proper carrying case for your keyboard, which has, you know, little straps and stuff, you know, to actually easily carry it. Besides this, I mean, this is nice and slim, will easy fit in a backpack, but it is nice to have a little pre-order incentive. So inside as well, you get, you know, a little manual inside how to actually use the keyboard, the different keys, and how all the function buttons use as well. Because this is a full keyboard, you've got your numpad as well. HyperX did say they've gone down this line because being their first gaming keyboard, they wanted to make sure it was perfect, and then later down the track maybe work on different sort of, you know, smaller keyboards. But at this moment, they wanted to have a full keyboard, especially diving into the market for the first time. So taking the keyboard out, nice to package. It has some decent weight to it, which is really nice. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. And what we do have also inside is a nice braided cable here, red and black HyperX colors, obviously. Really nice cable. Now it does actually have 2 USB ports here. Now you will need, I mean, you don't necessarily need to actually use these 2 USB ports. One is to power obviously the keyboard. The other is to actually act as sort of like a hub on the back of the keyboard. So we'll take a closer look again, but on the back here, you can actually charge your phone, which is, you know, super handy. Now I've gone ahead and opened this, but what you do also get inside, let me just empty this, is additional keys. Now these keys here have a slight of a rugged texture on them, which is really nice. They're red, and they're to replace the WASD keys as well as 1, 2, 3 keys, and I'll put those on and show you. You also get a key remover, which is also really handy and a must-have for any mechanical keyboard. But let's put this together. So this has been a quick unboxing of the all-new HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical keyboard. Now, as you can see here, again stating that it is a full keyboard line. As well, you do have these textured WASD keys which can be replaced. As well, these do light up as well, a nice red color, which I'll show you in a minute. The keys themselves, if you have used Cherry MX Blue before, they are quite sort of punchy and noisy, as you know, as you can see here, but they're great for FPS shooting games. Now, being a gaming keyboard, HyperX stated this is made for CSGO players, the first-person shooters, you know, where you can actually move it around as CSGO players like to have it on an angle, more room for your mouse. I mean, but being a full-length keyboard, it doesn't get in the way as well, given that, as you can see here, it is sort of cut and left open, so you do have that movement around the keyboard in itself. Now it's really exciting to see HyperX moving into this market right now, and I can't wait to see what else they come out with. Additional keyboards, mice even, and who knows what they might come up with. Make sure to subscribe for my full review of the HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical keyboard by Kingston. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.